Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, or if you're new to this video, hi, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification for the videos to see later on, or more into more of the education, learning, all of that other stuff. So today I'd like to thank you Melonare for sending us their MH-30 microphone. So basically what it is, it's a holder where you could clip onto your microphone and basically use it portably, go anywhere. If you see people interviewing people, that's basically what is it for, or just making making videos and all that, influencing. So here on the side, it has the cover, all the instructions that show you. The box content has the 3 foam covers, so you could use up to 3 microphones. 1 microphone handheld adapter, and then the box, the microphone flag, basically not charged, but yeah. It helps for basically if you don't want saliva and all the kinds of stuff onto your microphone. That's basically a good way of just using it outdoor, indoor, and all that other applications. Basically it's compatible. It goes up to about 200 to 250 feet or so. Not very sure about that, but you could use it up to all the way of that range. So you could also contact for a warranty and all that. Just type in the support on the side and the comments down below. So yeah. Here I'm using the microphone of Kito, something like that. Not very sure about what the brand name is called, but I'm using this microphone. So first I'm going to connect the USB onto here. Okay, so now here's the microphone that's connected. So now we get to open the box. First it comes with the covers, the microphone holder. Here's pretty cool. Microphone cover again. I know it's kind of squished right now, but it's okay. The orange one too, it's pretty cool. There's gray, black, and then orange. Here, let me just put it onto here. Then yeah, that's basically it. It has the box, the flat thing, so just take it off over here. Or just put it on over here to make it look like a stand, which is pretty cool too. Okay, so this is how you work it. You could place the microphone onto here on the side. Just clip on. Basically how you do it. Is that how you do it? Or, no, is it the other way? Okay, so basically how you do this is you connect this on over here. Show you, and then place it in here. So you need to slide it in. So open it and then slide it in over here. So here is standing right there. And then simply attach the mic clip to the handle. Okay. So here is just the microphone flag. And then we could insert the foam into here. I know it's kind of goofy, but I hope this actually works. We could add the microphone flag onto here, or you could just take it out from the port or so. Any kind you want. Doesn't need charging actually. It's lightweight actually. It doesn't really hold that much weight into it. It's broad capacity, so just basically it's simple and easy. It doesn't hold that bad or so. Enhanced sound clarity, so it hears better and it uses the better quality and all that. Compatible grip So you can see here, it doesn't slip off from my fingers and all that. It's not greasy and all that. It's not, basically, you can't really drop it or anything. It's anti-pop and wind noise, so whenever you like go outside and like there's like rain or like wind somewhere, it doesn't really make that much sounds of the wind more. It just basically it's like noise cancellation, and it's easy to use. It's basically really easy. It's just interviewing, influencing, all that. It's pretty simple. Not that bad actually. I could just take it off, really simple. And then I could just like change it to like a different color, or here, the orange one. Okay, and over here we have basically over here, the orange one. Still the same thing, just different kinds of covers and all that. Yeah. Then we tried the gray one. The gray one's kind of beaten up. I don't know what happened to that. It's probably because the sound thing. Over here we just put that on. So yeah. There's the gray one. The gray one, I don't know about that. It's pretty beaten up, so I don't know if I can put that. Also, it's magnetic too. So this is just like magnetic. So if you guys want this product, it is called Kiho, something like that. Not really sure about the name again. Yeah, it's magnetic, and you could use it anywhere. Just interview, vlogging and all that. Blogging. I like to vlog and all stuff. Trying to start a new channel for myself, and yeah, just like to vlog and all that. And this is very easy to remove. It's magnet, so there's a magnet on the back. Just stick it onto here, and it's pretty simple actually. Just connect the USB. If you don't have a USB-C for your port, you could also just get a new product of this, the microphone. It comes with different kinds of ones for the USB-C and then the USB port and all that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can also just take out the flag, just stick it onto here, and then it's still simple. And then here, see, here's the black one. You just use it like this, just interview people. So, hello, my name is, yeah, basically, it's really easy to do. The box comes with this. I'll just say the whole overview and all stuff, all the questions that are said onto this microphone, and see how the questions are used. Okay, so now we're going to ask the questions that are being answered on Google and Amazon and all that. You could also get this for Amazon for about, let's see, $20. Not that bad for coming in the range of 3 foam covers, and then flag mount, and then the microphone handheld thing. So then let's see what comes with this. The first question is, does it work with wireless mics? The Melonare MH-30 handheld microphone holder is compatible with a wide range of wireless microphone brands, including the Rode Wireless Go 2, and then DJI Mic 2, and then Cisco GA82, and a Hollyland Lark 150. So it comes with basically any kind of microphone and all that. This comes with the microphone that is used onto any kind that is supportive with the microphone. So any kind, pretty good. Next to the question is, can it be used with dynamic microphones? So the product information does not require that information, but I'm pretty sure it comes with them. Like, it could be compatible with the dynamic microphones. Not very sure about that. The material about the microphone holder is, basically it does not say the material either, so that's not very sure. It's just foam and all that. Not very sure. It could be used for outdoor recordings. The dynamic of the holder, yeah, it does not say the maximum weight of the holder. It's about 0.18 kilograms, so not very sure about that either. So yeah, basically all the special needs for the kind of noise cancellation and all that. It is noise cancellation, if y'all want to be knowing that again. Yeah, it's basically be used as a it comes with the lifespan of the device. So here's just the box again. Sorry, here's the box again. Shows the instructions, pretty easy to do. The instructions are pretty simple to use. Kind of a struggle for me because I haven't been using this kind of microphone before. So yeah, easy to take out, easy to put it in back. Yeah, the warranty and all that, the cost effective systems, and then like the 365-day warranty. So you want to get your money back and all that. The email is just support at whitesandmic.com. So yeah. Yeah. Basically, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more other videos to see later on, or maybe other times, education videos, learning videos. Yeah, make sure, just like, subscribe, turn on the notifications to see other videos to see later on. And tell me in the comments down below if y'all want some vlog videos and all that. I need a name for my video content. Names, so name for my channel, so any kind of name that you bring up, it's pretty cool for me to like. I'll use it if it's pretty cool. Yeah, so bye guys.